In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download sales tax reports as PDF in Xero. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Once you're at the main dashboard, look for the reporting option in the navigation. Click Reporting to open the list of available reports. From there, select Sales Tax Report. This is the report that summarizes your taxable sales and the tax you've collected over a chosen period, which is especially helpful for filing returns or sharing with your accountant. When the Sales Tax Summary report opens, take a moment to review what you're seeing on screen. Confirm the period at the top so the dates match what you want to report. If you use tax periods, make sure the report reflects the correct filing period. Also check whether the report is using the cash or accrual basis, depending on how you file. Scan the totals and the breakdowns to confirm they align with your expectations. This is a good time to ensure transactions have correct tax rates applied, as any misclassified items will flow through to the totals you're about to export. Now it's time to export. Find and click the Export button, usually located near the top right of the report. In the Export options, choose PDF. Xero will begin generating a PDF version of your sales tax report. This can take a few moments, especially for longer periods or high transaction volumes, so give it a little time to finish. Avoid navigating away from the page until the export is complete. If your browser blocks downloads or pop-ups, make sure it allows the file to save. Once the file is ready, open the exported sales tax report PDF. Depending on your browser settings, it may open in a new tab, or it may save directly to your Downloads folder. If it downloads, open it from your file manager using your preferred PDF viewer. With the PDF open, review the downloaded report carefully. Confirm the reporting period, basis, and organization details at the top. Check the totals, any tax rate breakdowns, and the summary figures to ensure they match what you saw in Xero before exporting. If you notice anything off, you can return to Xero to correct transactions and export again. When everything looks good, you can print the PDF, attach it to an email, or store it securely for your records and tax reporting. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your sales tax report as a PDF in Xero, ready for printing, sharing, or filing.